Okay, so recently, actually I can do this from here, pmodel. I've done another script. It's in the shading section. It converts displacement from grayscale, one channel, to RGB. And here we just need to get the directory. And for the time being, it's good to have only the files that are like this type of files and so on, because it checks them if they're like 3 channel or 1 channel and it converts them. And just hit convert, a new folder will appear inside RGB0. If there's more than one click, another one will appear. So here we have like a 1 second, I can check it like this, maybe details, channels. I don't see anything, so I'm just gonna open it with Photoshop. Both of them are just copies to, like, every file will be converted if it's like one case. So we have one gray channel, and in converted we have 3 channels. Why I did it? Because sometimes we need to rebuild the displacement map in Mudbox, for example, because it tries UDIMs. If there was like a UDIMs, we will have to like rename it too, which I have a script here, so we can like select it's in UDIM and then get asset name, proper namings, directory, and just UV tile to rename as UV tile models, and we go from this to this one. And now I'm just gonna, like, I have this scene in Mudbox that is the same UV, so I'm gonna just subdivide it. Let's do it like this. So UV maps, and I'm gonna use sculpt UV, select the mesh, and go for the textures that are in they're both the same. So I'm just gonna go, and now we have a sculpted detail on our mesh, and we can like export the top model and reconstruct it in ZBrush, or just keep on working in Mudbox. It all depends on its own layer, so you can check it. How much we know that ZBrush shrinks the model first and it creates the water level. So yep, and that's it.